Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Today is Memorial Day and I'm gonna make a side dish for Memorial Day dinner with the family. Today we're gonna make baked beans. If you're a service veteran or service member, I wanna thank you for your service. I myself was a service member in the United States Navy. I worked on the Leftwich Destroyer as a yeoman, which is an office administrator. So happy Memorial Day. All right, let's get started. We're gonna make this in the Instapot today. And first, we're gonna need a half a pound of bacon. The ingredients will be in the description, so don't worry about that. So we'll take a half a pound of bacon and we're gonna cut it up and prepare it for the Instant Pot. Now, you can just put it in there whole, break it up, but I like to slice it up before I put it in. Next, we will add a tablespoon of olive oil into the Instant Pot and get it warmed up to cook the bacon. Okay, it seems like it's got a little steam coming off. So now we're ready to add the bacon in there. Then we'll cut 1/4 of Jimmy Dean sausage. Jimmy Dean seems to be the main one that works for me. Like I said, you could cook this in the oven, break it all up, but I just like to cook it right in the pan and then drain all the fat juices. Now, we'll remove the bacon, drain the dish, and then we'll cook the sausage. The bacon will continue to cook on its own outside of the pot, but yeah, don't that look good, golden brown bacon. Next, we'll add in 1/4 of the tube of Jimmy Dean sausage, or whatever your favorite sausage is. Jimmy Dean seems to be the best. I had Tennessee Pride, Bob Evans, and none of those seem to taste as good. Probably need a little more oil in here, make sure this stuff doesn't stick. So we'll get this all browned up and mix it and put it in the bowl on the side with the bacon. Then we'll be preparing our vegetables. A green pepper and a red pepper and a half an onion. So make sure you get those washed off before you put them in your pot. Now that pretty much all the red is gone out of the sausage, we'll get this taken and put it to the side with the bacon. And then we'll add in green pepper, red pepper, and half an onion. Now, if you've washed your cutting board after you had your bacon on it, washed off your veggies, and then we're gonna slice these right down the side and dice them as best you can, as little or big as you like them. We'll add these in and get these softened up a little bit and we'll be almost done. We're only gonna use half the onion, so we'll cut that in half and dice that up as well. Okay, once you have your vegetables all cut up and put in about a tablespoon of olive oil into your pot, we'll get those cooking for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add the hamburger back into it, just a tad bit more. We'll let that cook just for about a minute or two before we add the meat. The next thing we're gonna add also is about 1/4 of your barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce is fine. This is one of my favorites. And then we'll add in a half a cup of light brown sugar. First, we'll get this all softened up and add in the sausage and bacon. Now that we've softened up our vegetables, and don't that look good? Orange, white, and green, like Miami Hurricanes colors. We're gonna add in the bacon and sausage mixture and get that warmed up. Try to leave out that grease there. And let me tell you, this is smelling really good. Now, the next thing we'll add is 3 to 4 cans of beans. I'm feeding a big family, so we're gonna do bush beans, which I feel is one of the best beans out there. But you could use whatever you like, your favorite beans. We're gonna add 2 cans of 28-ounce bush beans. As soon as this warms up, we'll add that in there. And then we still have our light brown sugar to add after that. So we'll add our bush beans in, get that stirred in, then I'll add another can of that. Now we'll add in 1/4 of our barbecue sauce. Now some people like to just make it ketchup, but I find that ketchup makes it watery. So we'll just add this in and get that mixed in. Now we'll add in a half cup of light brown sugar. We'll get this all stirred up. We'll put this on slow cooking for about 20 minutes. Let all the juices combine and then it will be time to test it out. We'll put it on slow cook, let the juices and things combine for about 30 minutes, and then we should be done. Okay, after we have let it simmer for about 30 minutes, it's very combined now and looking and smelling good. Now we're ready to serve. Now it's time to take your seat at the table, but as you can see, it could be a dish, a main course, but it's gonna be a side dish today. I just wanna test it out before I serve it to my guests. I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, and please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.